gonna attempt to make this chicken parmesan. It looks so good with these Simple Mills sun-dried tomato and basil crackers. The kids are having pizza because kids. I'm really not a cook at all, but this one says it's supposed to be easy. Ah! Or we get our meat from Butcher Box. There's like really hardly anything ever to trim, which I love. I feel like sometimes when I get it from the grocery store, it's just like you end up with like, this is all that you have left when you cut away all the stuff that's gross. We got this at Kroger. We've been putting it on everything. Garlic pepper butcher rub. Yum. Take your coat off.
Three pieces.
Keeping. Okay, that looks good. Perfect, I think. Are you gonna have chicken? No chicken? You want chicken?
Okay.
The people stars.